Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing. Yesterday, heat wave to severe heat wave conditions prevailed over the most parts of the East Uttar Pradesh and over the some parts of the Bihar, the Gangetic West Bengal, northern parts of Odisha, West Uttar Pradesh, and even over the Uttarakhand also. And heat wave conditions prevailed at one or two places over the Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Northwest Rajasthan, Northeast Madhya Pradesh, and Jharkhand. And yesterday, extremely heavy rainfall, means rainfall more than 20 centimeter rainfall was reported over the sub-Himalayan West Bengal and over the Meghalaya, and heavy rainfall was reported over the eastern parts of the Bihar, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Marathwada, and Konkan and Goa regions. And if you look for the yesterday's maximum temperatures, then the maximum temperatures mainly were in the range of 43 to 46 degrees centigrade over many parts of the Uttar Pradesh, over some parts of northeast Madhya Pradesh, some parts of the West Bihar and West Jharkhand, and over the some parts of the Haryana, Delhi, and Punjab, and northern parts of the Rajasthan, which can be seen in this map. And these maximum temperatures very likely to continue to be in the same range over the northern parts of the country in the upcoming 3 to 4 days. And the departure wise, these maximum temperatures were above normal by about 3 to 5 degrees centigrade over the most parts of the Uttar Pradesh, over the some parts of Bihar, Jharkhand, isolated pockets over the North Odisha, West Bengal, and some parts of Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, and some parts of the Himachal Pradesh also. If we look for the heat wave warning for the next 5 days, then heat wave to severe heat wave conditions over the many parts or the most parts of the Uttar Pradesh very likely to continue during next 4 to 5 days, and similarly over the heat wave to severe heat wave conditions over the some parts of the Bihar very likely to continue mainly during next 3 days. Similarly over the East India, such as the Jharkhand and adjoining parts of the East Madhya Pradesh, northern parts of Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, and Odisha, the heat wave conditions very likely to prevail during next 2 to 3 days. And over the plains of northwest India, particularly over the Jammu division, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, and northern parts of the Rajasthan, the heat wave conditions very likely to prevail during next 4 days, mainly at isolated pockets. And from 19th June onwards, there will be the complete abatement of the heat wave conditions from the entire northwest India and most parts of the East India, except at 1 or 2 places over the East Uttar Pradesh and the Bihar region on 19th of June. And if we look for the today's chief synoptic features, then today a cyclonic circulation which lies over the northeast Assam, and another circulation lies over the northern parts of the Bangladesh. A trough runs from the northeast northwest Bihar, which goes up to the eastern parts of the Assam across the Bangladesh and the Assam and Meghalaya. And a trough also runs from Rayalaseema up to the central parts of the Bay of Bengal, and over the southwest Rajasthan a circulation can also be seen mainly in the lower and middle tropospheric levels. And because of these synoptic features, heavy to very heavy rainfall activity very likely to continue over the entire northeast India, such as the Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Tripura, and even over the sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim during next 5 days. And over the Meghalaya region, the isolated extremely heavy rainfall very likely during all the 5 days. Over the Assam, isolated extremely heavy rainfall activity is likely from the 17th of June, which will continue till 19th of June. And over the sub-Himalayan West Bengal and adjoining parts of the Sikkim region also, isolated extremely heavy rainfall activity is likely on today. Over the other parts of the country, mainly the Odisha likely to get isolated heavy rainfall activity mainly over the South Odisha on today, and over the other parts of the Odisha mainly on 18th of June and 19th of June. And over the Maharashtra, mainly the heavy rainfall activity is likely over the Marathwada region in Telangana on 16th of June. Similarly, over the Konkan and Goa, the heavy rainfall activity is likely on 18th and 19th of June. And over the Madhya Maharashtra and Gujarat region also, the heavy rainfall activity is likely on 19th of June. And over the Kerala, heavy rainfall is likely on 18th of June. So we have issued the red alert warning mainly for the sub-Himalayan, West Bengal and adjoining parts of the Sikkim region, and for the Assam and Meghalaya for the next 3 days. And we have issued the orange alert mainly for the Mizoram, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh regions for 17th, 18th and 19th of June. Over the other parts of the country, as we have seen that mainly over the northeast India, the light to moderate rainfall activity will continue during all the 5 days. Similarly over the peninsular India, light rainfall activity will be seen over the many parts of the peninsular India during next 3 to 4 days. And similarly over the West India, adjoining parts of the central India, light rainfall activity accompanied with thunderstorm, lightning and gusty wind, speed reaching 40 to 50 kmph, very likely to prevail during next 3 to 4 days. Mainly over the plains of northwest India such as Punjab, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh and West Rajasthan including Delhi, these areas likely to be dry during next 3 to 4 days. For more detailed weather information, you can visit the IMD website. You can follow us on our Facebook page, our YouTube channel and our Twitter page. Thank you.